tool series RD2. With the RD2 series, the profiles RAA and RGE can be manufactured. The tool and workpiece setting corresponds to the setting of the RD1 series. After the setting of the center height, the plunge knurling process can be started. With this tool, we have knurled the profile RGE 30 degrees. We have used two knurling wheels of the form BL and BR 30 degrees. Form knurling tools RD2, axial tool direction. When working in the axial tool direction, it is also necessary to set a clearance angle as demonstrated. With the RD2 series, it is also possible to knurl to a shoulder. We can work in both axial and radial tool direction. Zeus experienced precision at its best. Form knurling tools RD2, tangential tool direction. The tangentially working tool types are characterized by the minimal lateral pressure which is exerted on the workpiece. The knurling tools 161 and 162 are especially suitable for the processing of small workpiece diameters. With this tool type, the profiles RAA and RGE can be produced. The tool is clamped at an angle of 90 degrees to the workpiece. In the next step, we adjust the center height. In order to center the tool, we have to measure the workpiece diameter first. The distance between the two knurl holders is then set with the setting screw. The distance should correspond to the workpiece diameter less the pitch of the knurling wheel. After centering, the workpiece center corresponds to the knurling wheel center. The machine spindle can now be started. The setting screws are turned to the right until a clear profile is formed on the workpiece. Now we retract from the workpiece and tighten the locking screws and the locking nut. The knurling tool is now set for the required workpiece diameter. The knurling impression should now be checked again. Should the profile not be fully formed, the setting of the profile depth can be adjusted and the actual knurling is repeated, as demonstrated. The RD2 series can also be used in the axial tool direction. Setting is the same as for the radial tool direction.